So before Unleash, to be honest, we didn't really handle our inventory at all. We had a sort of a quasi-accounting and inventory package, which allowed for a lot of flexibility, which can be a positive and a negative. So we didn't really handle our inventory at all. People could make adjustments left, right and center. Whoever you were, you could adjust stock levels. We used to find that certain jobs had been sent out with, say a different sort of caster wheel on from the one that was in the system. And so instantly you've screwed up your stock records because they've shipped 100 of this caster, but you're on the computer shipping 100 of a different type. Our purchasing manager and our finance director at the time would often have to go out onto the shop floor, make big adjustments, and every year's stock take, you never knew what you were going to find. So yeah, in short, we didn't really handle our inventory at all before Unleashed. So Flowstore's been around since 1984. We specialize in material handling solutions. So that means if someone wants to build a new car, we provide them with either an auto onload, offload trolley that can be mounted to an automated goods vehicle. It drives around the warehouse. It'll bash into this rack and all the boxes of parts slide on, and then it drives off somewhere else to the person that's assembling a door or whatever. So that's handling the materials. We also would do stuff like, if someone's building a plane wing, we provide bespoke supports to support the plane wing. Basically everything that we sell almost is a bill of materials in the background. Some of that we have as sort of standard bill of materials. We have a modular staging division that sells to schools and churches, and they tend to have, as the name suggests, modular stage units. So they are a standard bill of materials that we upload to Unleash. So you just put in one product code, and underneath that there's a whole bill of materials that's going to get flushed out of the system. So we've been using that from pretty much day one. I think a big goal for us, obviously growing sales, but particularly in the sort of e-commerce environment. And with that comes obviously, hopefully, a huge amount of extra orders, but also keeping the extra processing man-hour cost down. So for us, we're looking to do a couple of things with our website to get orders coming in quicker, and then to fulfill them quickly. So the fact that we can link softwares to Unleashed, because it's a SaaS solution, a cloud solution, it just makes that so much more available and possible. So I think for us, the biggest benefit has been that inventory is sort of really locked down. It's only on rare occasions that we actually ever need to make adjustments, whereas previously you would have a purchasing manager going out to the shop floor often every day and checking stock and then making a whole load of adjustments. Or you would wait to the end of year stock take, where you would spend days going through every product and making a ton of stock adjustments, which obviously throws out accounting, throws out inventory, all of that sort of stuff. So we've seen, although there hasn't been sort of one sort of measurable time saving, we have managed to effectively eliminate the need for a purchasing manager to visit the shop floor every day. We've then also saved ourselves, multiple days every year just in our stock take, purely from the fact that inventory is more controlled now. It's going to remain our inventory management software for the foreseeable future. The fact that it does what it does really well. The fact that your software, your inventory is really sort of locked down. You can't mess with it. It keeps a good record of things that are going on with your inventory. That's going to be crucial. If we grow our online orders from whatever they are at the moment to 10 times that potentially, with even not just B2C but B2B customers coming in and placing even larger orders through those online sources, having a real grasp of our inventory, what we need to purchase, when we need to purchase it, and also what stuff we need to make redundant. And dead stock we can get rid of is going to be key for us.